Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will help how to study science for O/L exam. Start by organizing the syllabus into chunks and make a realistic timetable you can follow daily. Keep sessions short and focused with regular breaks to stay fresh. Use a simple planner and mark completed topics to build momentum. Aim for consistency over cramming and adjust your plan based on practice test results and energy levels each week. Use active methods to make ideas stick and boost recall for exams. Draw labeled diagrams and mind maps to connect concepts visually, and explain topics aloud as if teaching someone else. Regularly, practice past papers under timed conditions to build both speed and accuracy. Review mistakes immediately and turn them into mini-lessons. Small, repeated active steps beat long passive reading sessions when preparing for the O/L science exam. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. It really helps. Quick recommendation: the O/L water bottle is easy to carry, leak-proof, and keeps water cool during long study sessions, making it perfect for revision days. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab one. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Boost memory with practical tricks that make revision easier and faster. Build short mnemonics for lists and ordered steps, and link scientific facts to daily examples so ideas feel familiar. Use spaced repetition to revisit key points at increasing intervals, focusing on items you forget more often. Keep flashcards handy for quick reviews during breaks or commutes. These small habits help lock in knowledge without extra stress before exam day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.